Happy December, everyone! I cannot believe that it's the end of the year already. I wanted to try vlogmas for the first time. I thought it would be nice to do a little challenge for myself to film every single day. My goal is to talk to the camera more, get a little personal, because I feel like lately my videos has just been me showing my life but not really talking to you guys. I feel like it makes it hard to actually get to know me. Since I can't do it every single day, I thought I would do a weekly series. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas, and I hope that we can get a little closer to this. I am just finishing up with work, and then I need to start getting ready because I'm going out tonight. A friend is visiting from New York. We're gonna go to Itaewon tonight. But before that, I'm going to seongsu because my friend Emily invited me to Blue Elephant seongsu store opening. So yeah, that is the plan for today. It has been so cold in Korea. I don't know how to dress for this weather. Nowadays, once it hits less than 50, I just want to be dressed as warm as I can, even if I look like the Michelin Man. I just want to be warm. By the way, I usually don't get Starbucks, but every time it's fall in Korea, they come out with this black glazed latte, and it is so good. I'm gonna quickly get ready and head out. So that we just arrived. We're in seongsu, so it's like so many people. 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천 Light brown 들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 She's giving office. 그런 거랑 차이가 있어, baby. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라, yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라, yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라, yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. Version and a green version. 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈걸 수박받아 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 행복해 미소가 지어져 yeah. 오늘은 한편에도 말을 썼음 I look so tired. I feel so hungover, but I barely drank last night, so I don't know why I'm feeling this way. I think I'm just really getting old and I can't drink a lot anymore. The event yesterday was so crazy. Emily and I were both kind of shocked at how big the event was, because the influencer events that we've been to or that I've been to so far has been a lot smaller, but this event was huge and there were so many security guards. It felt like a legit influencer party, and everyone they looked amazing. From head to toe, they went all out. And yeah, I just felt like, oh my god, I'm so underdressed. But yeah, I wasn't even invited to this. Emily invited me as her plus one, but it was such a fun experience. It really makes me wanna work harder. I don't really consider myself an influencer, but I do think that I can call myself a content creator because I genuinely love creating content, even though I don't have that many followers. Going to events like this and seeing all these bigger influencers, it really motivates me to work harder. But yeah, it was really fun. By the way, if you've never heard of Blue Elephant, they're kind of known as the dupe of Gentle Monster. I feel like their styles are very similar. I believe they also use the same manufacturer as Gentle Monster, but the price is half of Gentle Monster, so they're a lot more affordable. I actually got a PR package from them during the summer, and this was one of it. I also have another one. Hold on. This was the other one that they sent me. These are sunglasses, and this was the other pair. But these are more of their basic lines, but they do have some unique designs as well. If you're in Korea, definitely check them out if you want Gentle Monster, but a lot cheaper. last night at the event, they gave us this thing. And yesterday night, Emily did like a quick unboxing on the street, but we didn't know what it was. This part right here, they have this. This can be exchanged for one product at the new seongsu store. Emily texted me this morning saying that she figured out what this is for, and she said it's actually a stand. Is that right? I don't know, but apparently that's what it's for. I have metal frames. These are actually from another brand, but I think... Oh, that's so cool. So I guess that's what this is for. And you can also unscrew this. Okay. And you can put like your accessories in here. Like that.
그건가 보다. 거긴 팀이 10년이.
그냥 집이 아니에요.
펄죠 이런 거. 향 넣어. 향 넣어.
This is my breakfast slash lunch. Just like egg sandwich. It's really easy to make, but it's so good. I just used 2 boiled eggs, some scallion, a lot of mayo, and some salt and pepper. I am not ready for this weather. Oh my god, it's so cold. Guys, I just came home and I got a PR package from Anua. Let's see what they sent. They sent me the glow pad with PDRN. A lot of K-beauty brands have been using PDRN lately. Moisturizing cream. This is a serum. And they also sent a heart leaf cleansing foam and cleansing oil as well. I genuinely love Anua products. So I'm super excited for this. Thank you, Anua. I only have one hand, so I can make only one heart. A lot of people ask me, like, how do I get all these free stuff, even though I barely have any followers. As someone that's currently working in content marketing, I feel like more brands now want to work with smaller creators. If you're really trying to get into creating content and working with different brands, don't worry too much about the amount of followers you have and just keep pushing out content that is good quality. And honestly, nowadays, like, you don't even need a fancy camera. And I always tell my friends who want to start YouTube channel, they be always telling me all these like excuses, like, oh my god, but I don't have a fancy camera, I don't have an editing software. There are so many free apps that you can use to edit your videos. Honestly, I have been filming more on my phone than anything else. You don't need any fancy equipment to begin creating content. Why is this straw so long? I always need to watch something when I'm eating.
9.5 years going on 10,
25분.
Happy Saturday! It is very gloomy today. My boyfriend wanted to go for a drive, so I suggested that we go to Paju because there's a cafe that I really want to go to.
20분 걸려요? 주차 어디서 하는 거야?
모카랑
바닐라.
크림.
이거 진짜 좋아하는데.
와우.
이게 뭐지? 그 녹차 같은 면이.
그런 거 같아.
우와.
와, 맛있겠다.
진짜 대박이네. 그거보다 훨씬 맛있다. 보니까 무슨 뭘 꺼내 부슬부슬한데 손에서 무슨 표창처럼 3개를 진짜. 이거 토스트에 올릴 거야?
이게 와. 와, 연기 봐. 미쳤다. We stopped by to get gas, but we're almost there, like 20 more minutes to go. The weather is very gloomy. It started raining, but I think it will match the vibe of the cafe really well.